Hey guys, this is Scott. I'm here at Gresham Toyota. If you are tired of trying to sell your vehicle on Craigslist or Facebook or on Google, we're here to help. We're a high volume dealership, so we always need quality used vehicles in our inventory. Also, if you're looking for a vehicle, we have cars between $5,000 to $50,000 as far as pre-owned, and we have all new Toyota vehicles as well. So we have quality new vehicles, tons of used ones. We'll definitely make it easy for you. The benefit of coming to Gresham Toyota is we are a high volume dealership, meaning you will get the very best deals. Because we are a high volume dealership, we need lots and lots of used vehicles on our lot. So we are paying top dollar right now for quality used vehicles. So if you either want to trade a vehicle or you just want to sell one right now, it's advantageous for you just to come on by and show us your vehicle, look at other vehicles here, and the process here is super easy. If you have any questions, you can follow up with me. And if you want to swing by, our address is 950 Northeast Hogan Drive, Gresham, Oregon 97030. We're only 10 minutes from exit 16 off Highway 84. We're only 20 minutes from Portland. We're super close to Troutdale, right across the bridge from Camas. If you have any questions, you can reach me directly. I'm Scott here at the dealership. I am 503-758-3612. Look forward to everything. Thanks. All right, take care, guys.